Toss out Toyota Camry during a word association game, and most automotive enthusiasts would respond with some allegory for anonymity, device, or a similarly unflattering description for automotive wallpaper. The latest Camry, with its all-new platform, fresh powertrains, and expressive styling, attempts to shake off that image. The range-topping Camry XSE V6 is the most effective implementation of that retooling, blending the lineup's most powerful locomotive with the sportiest trim level. This XSE is part of the sporty S pillar of the Camry family, which also includes the lower spec A. Toyota has only one entirely different L vertical with L, LA, and XLE Camrys that wear toned-down front and rear bumpers and journey on more comfort-oriented suspension setups in order to attract traditional Camry buyers. Even though softer-edged L modelings are notably more satisfying to drive than past Camrys, but the S trims build on that solid footing with firmer damping, bigger wheels with wider tires, and distinctive front and rear bumpers with gaping intakes and lots of blacked-out trim, that they are able to ordering the XSE with a contrasting black-colored roof of $500 alternative, and a blood red interior speaks volumes about Toyota's lowered inhibitions. The XSE as well as its cell counterpart, the XLE, unlocks the capabilities of grabbing the Camry's new 301 HP 3.5-liter V6 engine. With port and direct gasoline injection, the 6 is 33 horsepower stronger than last year's port-injected 3.5-liter V6. Torque is up 19 pounds-feet to 267, peaking at the same 4,700 revolutions per minute as before. Other 2018 Camrys are propelled by a 2.5-liter inline-4 or a gas/electric hybrid powertrain. The V6 Camry is intriguing not only for its substantial horsepower, but also for having 6 cylinders. Virtually every challenger has turned to smaller, turbocharged 4 cylinders for their up-level locomotive options, including the Camry's nemesis, the Honda Accord. This V6 is a stonker, though, mailing the Camry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, 2.1 seconds quicker than a 4-cylinder Camry say we tested. And it spews an edgy snort out of the XSE's quad exhaust stores, one that's more distinguished than 4-cylinder competitors. A vacuum clean/blender soundtracks. Still, the 252 HP turbocharged inline-4 in Honda's top dog Accord 2.0T scoots that model to 60 miles per hour 0.3 seconds quicker. Although the two sedans have virtually equal pinnacle torque, the 2.0T Accord has hardly any torque steer, whereas the Toyota has plenty. Honda also has Toyota beat in the transmission race, where the Accord 2.0T boasts a quick-witted automatic with 10 forward speeds to the Camry's 8. The Accord also offers a manual transmission with both of its locomotive options. A stick shift would be a much welcome alternative for the Camry, as decisions come gradually to the 8-speed automatic. There is a slight lag between the driver stomping the gas pedal and the receipt of a downshift, a sin aggravated by the transmission's stubborn liking for its higher gears. A sport button on the center console adds some eagerness to the engine's responses, and an S slot for the gear lever does the same for the transmission, but neither fully deletes the powertrain's slight reluctance in reaction to aggressive throttle applications. Reaction to manual gear selections from both the steering wheel-mounted pedals and the shifting levers +/- gate are similarly unexceptional.